I got this monitor about a year ago when I was just starting online school. Its expansive 27-inch display makes seeing everything a joy. It's got Full HD and Asus's eye care technology built in. It starts at just $200. Should you buy this monitor? Let's find out. This monitor is thin, really thin. The internals are just slammed into this chunk at the bottom. It looks kind of weird, but you probably don't care about that. You care about the part you're gonna stare at for hours. The screen. This thing looks gorgeous when it's turned off. A minimalist beauty. When it's turned on, it's not too bad for a $200 monitor, but the bezels are kind of thick and there's a slight chin down here. The chin is actually kind of useful for sticking on sticky notes, so I guess this goes to personal preference. There is no front camera. The stand is circular, but you can't adjust the height, only the angle. I don't think it's removable. In terms of connection, you get 2 HDMI ports and a VGA port, as well as the power plug. There are no built-in speakers. Overall, nice minimal design. Specs. This is a 27-inch IPS LCD with a full 1080p display. The screen is coated in a matte anti-glare coating, which diffuses light. Refresh rate is 60 Hz. There are various settings you can adjust to get the color to how you want it. You can also get a blue light filter, which reduces eye strain. It does seem to work. Eye care basically reduces the amount of blue light that passes through the screen, which is better for your eyes. Down here are 7 buttons. These are the only way you can input anything into the monitor itself. The one furthest to the right turns the monitor on and off, and the second one to the right opens up a menu. The icons for the other buttons all show up. For example, the brightness icon is the second to the left, so I press the second button to the left. I can adjust it by pressing the buttons. Overall, this is a solid student monitor for under $200. It looks great, has a large display, and has an anti-glare coating to make sure pictures come through nice and clear. After a year, I don't have any problems with it. Highly recommend it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, it'll really make my day. I'm trying to get 1,000 subs by the end of 2021, so I'd really appreciate the support. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.